What's your idea of a healthy mayonnaise substitute without oil? Are you looking for an alternative to oily, high fat, high calorie mayo? Well, I have a healthy, oil free, dairy free, vegan mayonnaise recipe for you with ingredients easily available in your home. Yes, it does not require a lot of effort either. Once you try making this healthy mayonnaise recipe without oil, egg, and all things you wanna avoid in your creamy dip, you or kids wouldn't ever go back to this store bought junk. That's a promise. For this easy egg free, oil free mayonnaise recipe, which is actually healthy and rich in nutrients, you need one dry roasted or boiled potato or even steamed potato and half roasted or boiled or steamed carrot. That's your choice whether you want to boil it, steam, or roast it on tawa as shown. You will also need a few garlic cloves, black salt, lime juice, almond powder or almond flour to be precise, water and nothing else. Roast potato and carrot on a hot iron skillet. I love the scent and taste of tawa roasted veggies, as I have already shown in my sprouted hummus recipe. Please do check the recipe link in description. Thanks to my mother-in-law for teaching me how to roast veggies on a tawa. If you want, you may roast garlic cloves too here, but I didn't. I kept garlic raw. Now let's blend everything into a creamy, delicious dip along with lime juice, black salt, green chili, and 1 tablespoon of almond meal or flour that is made with blanched almonds. I have a detailed video to show how to make almond flour at home. You will also need water to blend it all together into a smooth paste. I needed 1/4 cup of water. That depends on the other ingredients and the creaminess you want in your mayonnaise. The carrot potato dip smells so aromatic that you will easily get addicted to the lip smacking flavor. It tastes so good that you will never reach out to the market junk. Enjoy the creamy mayonnaise with french fries, sandwiches, toasts, nachos, and even rice or paranta like I do. I'm a desi girl and love my desi food. Thanks for watching my innovative healthy recipes. Ravneet Bhalla would love to hear back from you. Do share your feedback on this low fat vegan mayo. Let's stay healthy and blessed.